ఇది దేంట్లో షేర్ పాయింట్ లో ఉందా డాక్యుమెంట్ సారీ వన్ డ్రైవ్ లో ఉందా
Zoom docs.
జూమ్ లో ఓకే ఓకే
Okay, started.
Mm.
Yeah, we are live. Hey Srikanth, how are you?
I'm good man, how are you doing?
Doing good. It was a good discussion yesterday
Yes,
we had, and let's continue from where we stopped.
yeah, sure.
Just a quick recap. So we have gone through cloud computing fundamentals and some of the key concepts, right?
Yes, that's correct.
And then some explanation of each. And also we tried to explore some of the common questions which can be asked in the cloud practitioner exam.
Agreed.
What is cloud computing? Types, we have seen there are 3 types: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Benefits, and what is the adoption framework also, in case if anyone wants to migrate to cloud, what are the best practices over the years?
Exactly. 6 different plus
6,
we spoke.
yeah. People, process, business goals, governance, security, and operations. And then we also did this exercise on understanding the global infra and some of the key concepts there. Like what is region? We have seen that there are 32 regions. And for
Yeah.
us, it is India, Asia, Pacific, Mumbai.
Yep.
Yeah. In any availability zone with 3 or more availability zone is considered as a region.
Yep.
And yeah, why we do this is because of high availability, fault tolerance, disaster recovery for various features, benefits which we'll get from availability zones.
Yep.
And then explore these 2 common kind of terms: what are edge location and cloud front, what are local zones, outposts. Yeah, it was a good learning.
Yes.
Okay, so for now today, can we continue where we stopped?
Yeah, we'll go with that AWS shared responsibility
Yeah.
model, right?
So what is this shared responsibility model? I'll just try to open my other system. You can also just check.
It says like and responsibility to operate the IT environment is shared between AWS and its customer.
So there the responsibilities operate the IT environment, is it?
Yes.
Responsibilities to operate the okay, shared. How the responsibilities are distributed
You're searching for
between AWS
and the customer.
the customer to operate IT environment. Check this.
Yes.
Is this okay?
Yes.
Defining how. Okay. Okay. So for this session, do you want to take the control and I can tell you? I'm just.
Yeah, please go ahead. I can directly type, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. First is security of the cloud. Whose responsibility is this? I'm checking. And also, you said about one statement, right? On the cloud, off the cloud. We can add that also under the definition, just as a call out.
What should I mention then?
I'm telling you. Okay. Off the cloud and on the cloud. I'm just checking. Okay. AWS manages security of the cloud. Of the
AWS.
cloud is AWS.
Okay.
OF, only F, one F,
Okay. Off the cloud. Okay.
where it will be taking care of all the infra and all the other things.
Okay.
Of the cloud is AWS, and on the cloud
Uh-huh.
is the responsibility of the customer.
So maybe in the bracket I can mention, right? On the cloud.
Yeah, on the cloud it is customer, off the cloud it is AWS.
I think this seems to be like on the cloud is on premises. I think so. Then in that case,
So here, let me share you one picture.
okay.
Customer responsibility for security. Let me share you one picture in the chat.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm sharing that link also. You can add somewhere in the notes section, preferences down.
Okay. In the chat you have.
I'm just putting. Yeah, there you go. That is the link.
Okay. Shared responsibility model. Uh, this is inside AWS somewhere. Okay.
And
I think this I should keep it under definition here only. I'll keep it.
yeah, preference.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then I shared you one picture also.
Yeah. Picture. How should I add that? I need to download it. I think in the same link the picture is also there, right?
Yeah, yeah. Should
Yeah.
be fine.
So
Should
that
be
should
fine.
be fine. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So if you see this picture, here it says responsibility for security in the cloud is customer. In is the
Yeah.
keyword. In the cloud is customer.
Huh.
Responsibility
Of
of
the cloud is
for security of the cloud is the AWS.
AWS. So maybe here I can write it. AWS.
Yeah, you can put a yes or something. Yeah.
Like
AWS,
this.
and maybe I'll give you the key items which are responsible. So in the
AWS first.
yeah,
Let's go with AWS then.
AWS
Security.
responsibility
Mhm.
is compute, storage, database, network.
Compute storage, database, network. Is it?
Yeah, and all these come under software.
No, yeah. Compute storage, database, network. That's it. Is it?
Yeah, these are the four different items
Okay.
which come under software, and for under hardware,
Okay.
there are regions,
Hardware,
availability zones, and edge locations.
availability zones and edge locations.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
So
AWS
this
is
will.
responsible for all of this.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is hardware, above one is software.
This should be good, right?
Yeah, this is good.
Okay.
And now I'll tell the customer responsibilities.
Okay.
The customer is responsible for first thing is customer data.
Yeah. Uh,
And in the
next.
next line, platform, applications, identity, and access management.
Platform. Come again.
Applications,
Uh,
applications,
um,
identity, and access management. Yeah, and there is one more for operating
Best.
system,
Hold on.
network,
Hold on. Operating system, network.
network, and firewall configuration. Yeah, these are the key.
Okay. Customer response for this.
Yeah, yeah,
For security of the group.
yes.
Okay. Let's.
For okay. So what we have written in the block under AWS responsibility is for security of the cloud.
Yeah.
So here we can maybe in the third one here, this let me just take this thing what we added in third one and put it here. Yeah.
No, it's okay. That's a customer.
Yeah.
Here
Kind of.
should here we should mention not applicable, or is there any applicability?
There might be something, right?
Yes.
There might be.
Yeah,
We
okay.
can't say they were not
Is it?
responsible.
No, 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 no. No, what I mean to say is like, is there anything information mentioned in that link? aws.amazon.com?
Here, nothing.
Nothing is it. Okay. We'll leave that then in
We
that
will leave
case.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll leave that.
Yeah. And security in the cloud, which are all these customer data
Customer
platform,
data.
the customer response.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Cool.
let's go on to compliance.
Yeah.
Who is responsible for compliance?
Complaints, I think it should be AWS. Is there anywhere it is
Both.
mentioned?
Both.
Both, is it? Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Since it's a shared responsibility, complaints. So should we mention complaints both are responsible or
Okay. So here, what it is saying is
Mhm.
meeting their own specific legal regulatory compliance obligations, which
Okay.
often involve customer managed controls. So customer is responsible, it is saying.
So come again, read it once
Yeah.
again.
The compliance
Okay.
which involves legal and
Mm-hmm.
regulatory compliance obligations as per the location or region,
Okay.
which
Legal.
often involve, oh, you want to write, is it?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
better, right? Legal and regulatory
for compliance.
obligations, like
Okay, you can write, yeah, meeting the legal and regulatory compliance obligations.
meeting legal and regulatory compliance
Mm,
obligations falls under customer
yeah,
responsibilities.
yeah, customer responsibility.
Okay. How about AWS then?
Compliance, mm, I'm unable to find. Can you just scroll right? Oh, there is
Right,
something.
is it? Hold on. What's shared between AWS and customer? AWS will require.
Mm, so, just checking.
Sure.
These are shared. Security and compliance are shared between AWS and customer. Uh,
Security. No, in that link, are you referring? Is it?
yeah, in that link, yeah.
Hold on. Compliance.
Okay, so basically what it means is here
Mm.
we have some software and hardware, right?
Yes.
So compliance for them, AWS responsibility. And here in the security in the cloud, we have customer data platform applications, operating networks, operating systems, etc. Compliance
Mm.
for those is a customer responsibility. So it is basically shared.
Shared. Then, yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Both. Based on, should we indicate compliance based on the responsibilities,
Yeah.
respective specific entities should handle compliance.
Yeah. Yeah.
They should be good, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
For both the stuff, I will indicate the same thing.
Yeah. Cool.
Their responsibilities listed above. Correct, right?
Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
Listed above.
Okay. So we can move on to the next section, right?
Yes, AWS core services overview. Hold on, I have to move to the left, I think.
Yeah. So here we'll go with the questions.
Hold
Which
on. Just give me
okay.
a second.
We need
Yeah,
to
now it is.
we need to add one column response. answer.
Compute AWS core services overview.
Yeah, so basically there are these primary services, a lot of services for compute, a lot of services for storage, networking, databases.
Okay.
And
This EC2, Lambda, ECS, all these are
services.
service.
Yeah,
These
compute.
are any specific applications which handle this, or is this applications itself?
You can think of these as, in case if you want to build some application, you need
Okay.
a PC, you need a RAM, you
Yeah,
need
exactly.
some data.
Server. Yeah, okay.
These are all that. So
Okay.
EC2 is like your virtual server, where you'll get some CPU, you'll get some RAM. On
Okay.
top of it, you can build whatever you want.
And okay. And what? How would this Lambda?
Lambda also, I need to check, is also something related to compute,
Okay. Okay.
some
Got it.
serverless or something.
Got it. Got it. Okay. Then I think whatever the explanation you have listed here, right,
Yeah,
should holds good
this holds
actually.
good. It runs
Yeah.
run application workloads
Application.
for
Yeah.
storing, networking. Yeah,
Yeah. This is short and sweet.
yeah.
Yeah. So
Uh,
under AWS core services, we have storage, networking, compute, and databases.
these are big buckets, high level.
Okay, okay.
And apart from these, there are few more, but these are the primary ones.
Primary one. Okay.
And within these primary, these are the main services which it has.
Got it.
Like one is a relational database, one is a NoSQL. Like that.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And so here, on-demand virtual servers.
Where your servers is it? On-demand virtual
Yeah,
servers.
first one. So the
First
compute
one.
is like on-demand virtual servers.
Okay.
Which service allows you to run code without provisioning servers? I think it's Lambda. Let me check.
Yes. Yeah.
Lambda, AWS Lambda.
Lambda is it?
Yeah, it allows to run code without provisioning or managing. It's a serverless compute service. You can write answer Lambda.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. I have to scroll to the. My mouse is not working. Yeah. Lambda. Okay.
Lambda, and then say in bracket serverless compute service,
Service
uh, which automatically handles the infra scaling and administration.
handles infra scaling and administration, right?
Hmm.
Should we move on for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, then the next one is talks about storage. Based on the naming convention, it is like store and retrieve data only. And I believe like EBS, Glaciers, and S3 are the one. Okay, key concept to remember: durability and scalability. Which AWS services is object storage? It's S3. I just searched it. Amazon Simple
You
Storage
already
Service.
searched, is it?
Yeah, yeah. Amazon Simple Storage
Yeah. Simple storage service S3.
Service. Yes, exactly. Yes.
Cool.
S3. Okay, it's
Next,
highly scalable. Okay. Which service provide DNS management?
CDN,
DN
CloudFront. I think.
CloudFront.
Just check, go to left. If CloudFront is there, it is it.
No, yes,
DNS
CloudFront
management.
is okay.
DNS management. DNS management is Route 53.
Route 53 is it?
Okay. Let me
You
check.
want? Yeah.
Which service
Service provider.
provides DNS management? Oh, Route 53. Amazon
Route,
Route 53.
Route 50.
Amazon Route 53 is the DNS management service.
Okay. That's okay, cool.
So it
Coming to the last one,
uh-huh.
network is it? The last one, database.
Yes.
Database.
Fully managed
Man,
NoSQL is DynamoDB.
DynamoDB is it?
Yeah, AWS. AWS, no SQL DB.
Yeah, bro, tell me, these are like the basic understanding related to AWS Cloud, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but from the, I'm just curious here. Maybe I may be completely wrong also. I'm just curious to know, like, um, how will there be any stuff where from the project management side where we will be chiming in during the project handling or execution?
So one example is
Mm-hmm.
during the, for example, design phase.
Mm-hmm.
In design phase, we might have to plan our capacity for the next quarter,
Yes.
where we might need resourcing also. So this compute storage, all these would have some costs. So right now, because maybe our company is huge, all this
Mm-hmm.
is taken care by some infra team, or we just raise a ticket, they'll do it for us. But in a
Yes.
smaller, all of these companies, the technical project manager itself has to compute all these costs, resourcing, work with the DevOps guys, and give the requirements. From people side, we want these many people. These are the skill sets. From resourcing side, these are our needs. This is our architecture. This is how it's going to be. We are going to use, like, for each we might give some justification, like why we are going with NoSQL databases. What is our information flow within our system? In case
But
if
go ahead. Go
yeah,
ahead.
yeah. So
Finish your
in
thought.
case if in networking, why we need this route 53, why we need a virtual private cloud? Is our system maybe any banking application, or what exactly are we doing? So those
Mm-hmm.
kind of discussions, to get into those discussions, no, there it will
Mm-hmm.
help. At a smaller company where a technical PM has to wear multiple hats, no,
Yeah. Yeah.
working with engineering, those guys leads,
Mm-hmm.
architects, pre-sales. So there this will help.
Agreed. 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 Generally,
And also
Pullman.
in some kind of a team discussions also, these guys will say, okay, what did you do yesterday? Okay, yesterday I was configuring some database. I mean, just to know that those terms.
Got you, got you. But to be in the practical scenario, right, I was thinking that when you say estimating and other stuff, see, until and unless we have done any kind of a cloud migration or cloud implementation kind of a stuff, commenting, generally the technical architecture team, right, they generally take up the activity working with closely with the technical leads,
Yeah, yeah.
where they will know like why not VPC, why Route 53, or why CloudFront,
Correct,
why
correct,
not Route 53,
correct.
because they might have done the implementations at the different client locations.
Mm-hmm.
To my understanding, from the project management perspective, probably if the technical architect says like, okay, we will be opting for the Route 53, from the PMO side, we just need to ensure like, okay, do we have the expertise on this?
That's it. Do we
Yeah,
have this
exactly,
expertise?
right?
Or, for
Yeah.
example, we have a technical discussion,
Mm.
compute team is called in, database guys are called, everyone is there. But
Mm.
if we know the whole how it was, no, array, network team is missing. Can we
Okay.
get them also looped in at the right time
Looped in.
rather
Yeah,
than
exactly. Yeah,
looking for
exactly.
that?
Yeah, that's the point.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
the point.
because all these are not our decisions.
Yeah, exactly, right. And that's what I was little bit
Yeah,
concerned. Like, do we require to, because until and unless you've done some implementations at different client locations, right?
correct.
We need to know in and out of the client existing on premises what all the different databases, not at the granular level, but at least a glimpse of it we should have
Just
an
we
idea.
should know their language, what they're working, so that we
Exactly.
can pull in the right teams, right people. They can ask those
Exactly.
questions. Did
Exactly.
you
Exactly.
consider, okay, you are going with Glacier, did you consider
Mhm.
other
Yes.
options? Because we know
Option.
that they're
Yeah.
all,
Yeah. 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 Exactly. That's correct.
just putting those guardrails to them.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. We cannot take the decision
Yeah,
on behalf of them, but at least we ensure like
just
the missing
some
components are
guidance,
been.
some
Yeah,
framework.
exactly. That's what I was thinking
Yeah, yeah, completely
of.
agree. Okay. Uh,
Should
okay,
we
this
move on
one
for the next? Yeah,
we
sorry.
will. I'm just thinking because on the weekend,
Uh-huh.
I also need to brush up on few concepts, and then we can get a complete big picture view. So that I'll try to
Mhm.
present over the weekend. So this for now we can park.
Okay, sure,
And basically,
definitely.
this is where that the holistic end-to-end workflow you'll get, like how communication enters, how the client calls,
Call.
then
Okay,
how it goes to different modules. So all
okay,
of that,
got it.
I need to do some more work, and then we'll have this view.
Sure, definitely, I just said.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the next one. Quick knowledge check.
Which one? Do you sharing or do
Yeah, yeah.
you?
Can you see this?
I only
Section
see
6.
this. Sorry, come again. I
Sec-
see this. Yeah,
Section
finish up.
6.
Section
6.
section 6 is it? Okay. Okay. Quick knowledge check is it? What are the three
Yeah.
cloud deployment models? Yeah, we discussed top, right? I forgot.
Yeah. You want
Hold
to
on.
write?
Yes, I will go ahead and write it so that
IAS, PAS,
yes.
SAS.
SAS. What is the difference between availability zone and
Yeah. This also we discussed.
this also we discussed? Should I go up? Hold on.
I'll read
Uh,
out.
yeah, hold on. Yeah, go ahead. First, read for the availability zone.
Okay. Availability zones are three or more data centers per region, data
Or
clusters per
three,
region.
or more data clusters per region.
Yeah, that is availability zone.
Okay. Now, how about region?
Region is three or more availability zones. Okay, let me.
Yes. Okay. Who man?
I'm just
Yeah.
referring some other sources also.
Sure. Go ahead.
Okay, so here what it says is
Mhm.
an AWS region is a large geographical area with multiple data centers.
Yes. Region is the term itself refer.
Yeah, multiple data centers is the keyword.
Multiple data centers in the
Region
yes.
in a large geographic area.
Yes, obviously. Yeah, to my understanding, that is what it is.
Yeah.
Because
Avail
yeah, go ahead.
Mhm. Availability zone is a single physical separate data center or cluster within a region.
Come again. I think that should be helpful. Come again. Read that out.
Single physical separate data center or cluster
Single physical
separate
separate
data
data
center
center or cluster
within a region.
in a chat. Okay. Available zone. Okay.
Basically, region is a group of clusters or data centers. This is a single entity availability zone.
Entity. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
In the sense like India is divided into east, west, north, south kind of a
Yeah.
thing. And within that east side, separate data centers may be posted at some location.
Mhm.
South it is Chennai. And some.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah. Okay. Who manages data encryption in AWS S3?
What is the question? Read again. Who?
Who manages data encryption in AWS S3?
AWS. I think it is a customer, but let me check.
Related to data, right? It should be.
Oh, I'm getting it
Yeah.
as shared responsibility.
Yes, I'm also looking the same.
It
I believe it should be customer only.
should be customer, right? Data
Yes.
encryption.
Customer data is the responsibility of data customer only. But it's saying who manages data encryption. Data encryption. AWS.
Who manages data encryption in AWS S3?
Here in Google, it says like data encryption in AWS S3 can be managed in several ways with varying level of control and responsibility between AWS and user.
Hmm.
Okay, I think server side encryptions with customer dual layer server X.
Who,
I think it's a shared responsibility. I think
tell the question again. I'll just check in Perplexity. Who
who
manages
manages data encryption in AWS S3?
encryption in AWS S3? Okay. Shared responsibility, it's what it's saying.
It's a shared responsibility
Shared responsibility between AWS and the user.
and their customers. User is nothing but customer, right?
Yeah, customer. Yeah, yeah.
Responsibility between AWS and customer. Okay. Which
Okay, so
AWS
there are
service?
two
Uh,
types here. One is the
mhm.
server side. Server
Okay.
side, AWS handles.
No, it again, it's somewhere it mentioned it again depends on the what do you call encryption and decryption.
So here
I, I'm seeing on the Google server side encryption with Amazon S3,
uh,
server side encryption with Amazon AWS KMS. Okay,
yeah, with
but
AWS KMS. So
yeah,
what
yeah, server side encryption with customer also it has given.
server side encryption? Yeah, this is little too technical.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so, here what in the AI mode what I got is server
Mm-hmm.
side and customer side. So server side it's saying that
Okay,
AWS handles the encryption decryption of data when it is stored and retrieved from SWS
okay,
S3. And then
yeah,
for the customer it is saying that in this method you encrypt the data on your side before sending it to them.
okay,
So you are responsible for the entire encryption process and engagement.
okay,
So
got
there
it.
is some encryption with the customer is doing, then sending it,
Yes, and
and then
okay,
Amazon is also doing some kind of encryption there.
encryption. Okay, got it.
So for now, let us not get into that.
Get into.
We'll say
Sure, sure,
shared
sure.
responsibility, right?
Yeah,
Between
yeah, 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 yeah. That should be short and sweet then.
yeah, yeah,
Okay. Should we move on for the next
yeah,
one
yeah,
then?
yeah.
Okay. Which AWS services improve latency by caching at edge?
Okay. Which
Which AWS service improve latency? I think Amazon CloudFront.
pro
It is.
latency by mention of
Amazon CloudFront.
yeah, Amazon CloudFront.
Yeah. Okay. What does pay as you go means? Subscription model, is it?
Pay as you go
In
means
AWS.
you pay only for the services which you use and for the time
Exactly.
which you use.
Yes. Pay the services which you consume. Pay only for the services which you consume.
Yeah, only on the consumption.
Yes. That's all right.
Cool.
Cool.
This was a good exercise.
Yes, yes, agreed.
We got an
We got basic
overview of
understand.
what this
Yeah, yeah,
AWS.
exactly.
Well,
Exactly.
we will deep dive next. We'll have 1, 2 more sessions till the weekend.
Sure, definitely.
We'll deep dive.
Sure, sure. Yeah,
Okay. So now okay, we need to take a break at 1, right?
yeah, exactly, man.
Okay. So can we do like 2, 3 questions just to start?
Yeah, yeah, go ahead. Do you have the sheet handy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please stop this and share that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it.
Mm, yeah. AWS Certified Solution Professional Practice question. Okay.
Let's remove it for the practice question template. I'll just put. Okay. Yeah, these are the like 50 questions which I
Okay, got it.
For it, we need to have the answer and also some
Answer.
reference, like
Reference.
which
Okay.
tool or whatever. It will be good.
Okay. What are the key design principles of AWS? Well architected framework. Okay.
Yeah,
Review
that's
the six.
which we
Yeah,
discussed.
yeah. I think process, governance. Uh, but
Let me open and call it out. You can write.
yes. You're checking, or do you want
Yeah,
me
I'm
to?
checking. I'm checking.
Yeah.
Operational excellence, security,
Hold on. Operational excellence, security, good.
reliability,
Reliability, skill. Okay.
performance efficiency,
That's efficiency. Hmm.
cost
Cost
optimization,
efficient.
cost optimization. Can I do one more?
No, no, I think six operational excellence, security, reliability, performance, efficiency, cost optimization. One more is required.
One more. Yeah. Hmm,
Customer is it? Something
sustainability.
sustainable.
6 pillars of AWS well architecture framework. I'm sharing that link
Okay.
in the chat, which you can put in reference.
Yes.
Yeah, this link is very nice. It has all the details and how to
Details.
implement also. When we say cost optimization, how to get it also is there in that.
Oh, cool. Should we move for the next one then?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. How does AWS Route 53 achieve high availability and fault tolerance?
It's globally.
Yes. Okay. AWS Route 53. Okay. Short answer is through its global distributed network of DNS servers.
Yeah, yeah. Just mention that.
Through its global distributed network of DNS servers, which directs user traffic to most available endpoints. Yeah, and for fault tolerance,
Mm-hmm.
there is something called as application recovery controller, ARC.
Hold on. Tolerance application.
Recovery controller, ARC,
Okay.
for rapid failover and redundant infrastructure.
Redundant.
Infrastructure. And I'm putting the link in the chat.
Okay, got it. Mm. Cool.
Rapid failover, F.
Hold on, hold on.
Let me change it.
Rapid
Yeah,
failover is
failover. I changed
fail.
it.
So, thanks. Updated link.
Oh, this is nice. Same time, two people can work on the. Instead of me putting in the
Yeah, yeah,
chat,
exactly,
I
exactly.
can put
Directly,
both
yeah,
at
you
the
can
same.
directly
Yeah,
put it there.
nice feature.
That's what I'm asking. This is not the usual Word document kind of a thing.
Yeah,
Because what will happen, Word document, if you share also, right? The other
correct.
person cannot update it unless and until it is in the SharePoint.
Yeah, this is the Zoom Docs feature.
Zoom doc
So
feature, is
that's
it?
why this integration is very seamless.
Seamless, yeah, yeah, that is
As
what
if
it is.
both are working together on the same.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I'll directly put it. I'll use that.
Yeah, yeah. When should you use AWS Transit Gateway
This is
process?
technical. I think all these questions, right? They're at a much technical level because the
Okay.
solution architect questions, right? It was said that
Yeah. Examination itself is
because
cloud practice.
these are
Yeah.
not foundational.
Yeah, exactly.
Hmm.
And for the PMO level, it is not required.
Yeah, this much I don't think.
Yeah, this much they
I'll
won't.
do one thing. Then we'll take a pause here. I'll
Okay.
change. I will see. I'll ask some. I'll put some different prompts and I'll try to get the relevant questions
Sure,
for cloud
definitely then.
practitioner
Sure, definitely then.
fundamentals thing, and then next session we'll continue.
No, sure, definitely, man.
Okay, then
Yep.
let me.
Thanks.